Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook okra stew. First, gather your fresh ingredients for a delightful culinary experience. You will need about 2 pounds of fresh okra, along with 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger to build a rich flavor base. A 14½ ounce can of diced tomatoes and 1 pound of your preferred protein, like chicken or beef, will complete your shopping list for this delicious meal. Proper preparation of your okra is key to achieving a fantastic texture in your stew. Start by washing your 2 pounds of okra well, then trim the stem ends carefully, making sure not to cut into the pods. Slice the okra into 1/2-inch rounds to ensure they cook evenly. For an even less slimy result, quickly blanch the sliced okra in boiling water for about 2 minutes, then immediately drain and pat it dry before adding it to your pot. Now let us build the delicious flavor foundation for your stew. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger, sautéing them gently for about 4 minutes until they are aromatic and translucent. Next, incorporate your 1 pound of protein, browning it lightly, then stir in the entire 14½ ounce can of diced tomatoes, crushing them a bit with your spoon to release their juices. It is time to bring all these wonderful flavors together for your finished stew. Add the prepared okra and 4 cups of your chosen broth to the pot, ensuring everything is well combined. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook on low heat for about 25 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve this comforting dish hot with rice or a traditional side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.